working partner salary comes off the top, not out of someone's part later. In partnership questions, cut that fixed salary from total profit before the weights run, divide only the remainder by the investment time weights, then add the salary back when the working partner's total receipt is asked. Miss the order and you overpay the sleeping partner. The classic SSC trap we will shut down with B at rupee 1,800 and A at 1,700 total. Name the caste before any arithmetic. A working partner runs the business and may take an agreed fixed salary or commission. A sleeping partner only invests money. The salary line belongs only to the working partner. Sleeping partners never touch it. What stays fixed is that salary amount. What changes is the profit pool left for the weights. Opening move. Remaining profit equals total profit minus the working partner's fixed salary or commission. Only after that cut do the investment time weights get permission to run. Now divide what is left, not the original pot, by the investment times time weights. When both partners stay the same period, those weights match the investment amounts. The sleeping partner's entire receipt comes from this remainder. The working partner's pool part does too. Decision rule. If the question asks for the working partner's total receipt, add the salary back onto that partner's part of the remainder. Salary plus pool part, never salary alone, and never the pool part alone when total receipt is asked. Deduct A's rupee 500 salary, then divide the rest by investment weights. Remaining profit equals 3,500 minus 500 equals rupee 3,000. B's part rupee 1,800. A's total receipt rupee 1,700. Remaining profit equals 3,500 minus 500, so rupee 3,000. Investment weights A, B, same period, equals 1,000, 1,5000, so 2, 3. B's part equals 3 divided by 5 times 3,000, so rupee 1,800. A's total equals 500 plus 2 divided by 5 times 3,000, so rupee 1,700. B's part rupee 1,800. A's total receipt rupee 1,700. The trap. Check the governing quantity before accepting the result. Salary must exit the pot before weights run. The exam trap is simple. Deduct any fixed salary or commission before the investment time weights run. Dividing rupee 3,500 in 2, 3 would give B rupee 2,100, rupee 300 too much, because that calculation spends the salary twice, once as A's extra and once inside the pool. A working partner takes rupee 400 salary from a 1,900 profit. Investments are 2, 3 for the same period. The other partner's part is. The answer is rupee 900. We divide remainder 1,900 minus 400 equals 1,500, split 2, 3, so the other partner gets 3 by 5 times 1,500 equals rupee 900. Dividing the full 1,900 in 2, 3 gives rupee 1,140, the classic trap. You can now cut working partner salary off the top, divide only the remainder by investment time weights, and add salary back when total receipt is asked. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the next partnership lesson lands in your feed. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill working partner salary while this is fresh.